Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video, and you're watching Tech World YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in at Clydesdale Bank. So for those people who don't know Clydesdale Bank, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name of the bank wrong, but what I'm trying to say is basically a retail banking company who's located in Scotland, alright, so basically is pretty good. So if you guys have created account and you guys are gonna get like a nice interest on your savings account, and like a nice interest on your loan, mortgage and other stuff, just go to his website to know more about it. So to log in into it, just follow the steps. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. So the first step is you want a source for sale bank PLC. After your source, right, you want to click on where it says Clydesdale Bank Personal Business and Private Banking over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take this offshore website. Once you're over here, you just want to go on Dresses Login. From Login you want to go on Versus Internet Banking and you want to click on Login in Internet Banking section over here. Once you click on it, you want to click on Continue to Virgin Money Internet Banking. So for those people who do not know, Clydesdale Bank is linked with Virgin Money, so don't worry about it. Virgin Money and today's bank is same, alright. Now once you get into the Virgin Money's official website, what you want to do is want to enter the information, which is Oxy. Alright, so you need to wait for some time. I'm waiting for some time over here, right, and while we're here in Virgin Money now, I need to enter my customer number over here on my username. After I do that, the clicking continue is going to ask for my password over there, and after it asks for my password, if I enter that password I should be able to log in into my account. So that's basically it. I hope you guys are able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. I'm signing up, bye bye. Have a nice day.